At Electromatic, we pride ourselves on bringing the latest and greatest technologies in conjunction with our partners to our customer base. TARUS was looking to update their controls from a homegrown solution to a more world-renowned, global supported product. And that's when we had connected with them and looked to introduce them to the Siemens product portfolio. SINUMERIK ONE is a great way to bridge the gap between hardware and software. So it provides the opportunity for customers to develop digital twins and add that value proposition to their customer base. Digitalization means a lot, especially working with the SINUMERIK ONE. Engineers and mechanical engineers are able to work more concurrently and allows customers to do more commissioning remotely prior to sheet metal hitting their floor. TARUS has been a great partner of Electromatic. They brought Electromatic and Siemens in and really made us feel like we were part of the family.